The world is constantly changing, offering us new challenges and business opportunities. Yet, to achieve your goals, you need a reliable, responsible, and professional partner. SID, Slovenian Export and Development Bank, is in 100% ownership of the Republic of Slovenia. Our financial and insurance services are designed to promote companies and the public sector, their investments and innovations, enhancing economic competitiveness and furthering the sustainable development of Slovenia. Our mission is to transform your ideas into reality and collectively build a prosperous future. We are convinced that entrepreneurial ideas truly can move mountains. SID Bank's products effectively complement the offer of commercial banks and as such address the market gaps that arise when there is no adequate supply of financial and insurance services available by the private sector. We assume more risk, which is especially important as it enables us to finance small and medium-sized companies. We offer a variety of debt and equity financing tailored to the needs of the economy, accessible to companies of all sizes through participating commercial banks or directly at SID Bank. By financing and insuring exports and investments abroad, we provide opportunities for export transactions, reduce non-marketable business risks, and create a stable environment for the international business of Slovenian companies. For several years, SID Bank has also managed the funds of funds, intended for the more efficient distribution of European cohesion funds. These funds are fully repayable, which, due to greater financial leverage and multiplicative effects, enables financing of more companies. One of SID Bank's key priorities is green projects and the circular economy financing. This has been underscored also by the issuance of a green bond, for which SID Bank received a prestigious international award and is the main source for financing green investments in the environment, renewable energy sources, clean transport, sustainable management, and urban development. Every year, more companies use SID Bank's services. This way, we co-create successful business stories. We pride ourselves with being recognized as a credible, reliable, and efficient partner with whom companies can realize their ambitious projects. We remain true to what makes us successful: our economy, our region, our colleagues, our clients. Now and in the future, we are here for you, for your ideas, for your growth, for the development and well-being of the Slovenian economy.